One killer video can change your entire YouTube channel, because 1 or 2 or 3 killer YouTube videos have the potential to dramatically change your channel forever. And many creators got their big break because they had just one great video go viral, and that changed their life. But what makes a great video? What do these successful creators know that we don't know? And we need to figure it out, because the fastest growing creators know how to blow up their channel, which is 3 or 4 killer videos. So good news for us. It's actually quite simple, and it doesn't require any rocket science, because the process great creators use to design and create killer YouTube videos follows some couple steps. In this video, I will explain you step by step, and you have to follow this for 30 days, and your YouTube channel and your life might change dramatically. So let's get started. So first of all, you need an idea to make a video.
But hey Eisen, I don't know how to make video ideas. That's why I came to this video.
So for that, you have to do 3 things. First of all, you have to make a list of big YouTubers in your niche. For example, if you have a gaming channel, so then you will select a big YouTuber like Preston. Second, you will have to become a detective for a short time and analyze big creators' channel. For example, go to your big YouTuber's channel and check on which topic he is making his videos, and select the topic on which you can easily make the video. And third way is so simple. You just have to scroll through your niche and see what is trending right now, because YouTube promotes trending topics the most on his platform. That's why trending topics are the best option for you.
Hey Eisen, so I have got the idea of the video. Now how should I make the video?
So to make a video, you will have to write a killer script first. And to write a killer script, you have to absorb your competitor and add your sense of humor to it. For example, today I was going to school and saw an accident happening on the way. Instead, you have to add some sauce under it. For example, today I was going to school and I saw such a bad thing on the way. I was shocked to see this, so that people will wait till the end for your video to know what he saw on the way. So you guys understood how to write a script? Now to know the next step, I will have to take your test. Tell me what this thumbnail wants to say. You have 5 seconds to tell me in comment. So in the thumbnail on your left side, there is a car stuck somewhere, and an uncle is stuck to it in a strange way. And it is also written in its title, That Idiot on Wheels.
Hey Eisen, what can we learn from this?
You learn from this how important is a thumbnail and title for a video. Because your video will not be visible to people as a video, it will be suggested to people as title and thumbnail. No matter how good you make the best killer video, people will click on your video only if your title and thumbnail are good. And if you guys want me to make a detailed video on this topic for you, then give me 1,000 likes on this video, so I will make a video on that topic for you guys.
Hey Eisen, so is the title and thumbnail, is that important for a video?
Yes, it is. Because you are going to run a YouTube channel. For that, you will have to make videos by making people understand and not just make whatever you feel like. Because if you understand your audience, no one can stop you from growing on YouTube. After doing the video idea, thumbnail, and title, getting ready to make a video.
Hey Eisen, but I want to create faceless channel. So how do I make videos?
If you are creating a faceless channel, then you can use your phone, or if you have a mic, you can do your voiceover to it, or you can also use AI voice for voiceover. And you can use many free websites for stock footage for your channel's videos. And after doing all these things, you come to the next step, which is very important, because he can make your video a skyrocket, or then your skyrocket can be blasted from this.
Hey Eisen, what is that thing?
Is a video editing, because without video editing, you cannot make your YouTube videos viral at all. Because video editing is the thing that keeps the viewers engaged, and the most important thing is the intro of the video. Because whether people will watch your video till the end or not, it decides in the first 30 seconds of the video. And all the big creators use this thing the most, and try to make the video as good as you can. Whatever ideas come to your mind that can make the video better, use them in your video editing. Because you have a killer video idea, thumbnail, and title, and in the end, just edit it properly so that no one can stop the video from going viral. So by following all these things, you can make a killer video for your YouTube channel. And if you want to know what secret strategy big YouTubers like Mr. Beast use on their channel, then watch this video and definitely smash that like button and subscribe the video.